To get the most out of your CyberScout membership plan, follow these steps. First, understand what CyberScout is. A company that provides identity theft protection and fraud resolution services. Their membership plans are designed to help individuals and families protect themselves from identity theft and fraud. Start by activating your membership. You will receive a unique membership number and instructions on how to access the CyberScout website and mobile app. Once you have activated your membership, take some time to review the various services and features that are included in your plan. One of the key benefits of a CyberScout membership is access to fraud resolution services. If you become a victim of identity theft or fraud, you can contact CyberScout and a dedicated fraud specialist will work with you to resolve the issue. This can include helping you to cancel and replace stolen credit cards, notifying the credit bureaus, and providing you with guidance on how to protect yourself from further fraud. In addition to fraud resolution services, CyberScout also offers a range of educational resources and tools to help you protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. These resources include articles, videos, and webinars on topics such as password security, online safety, and credit monitoring. To get the most out of your membership, make sure to take advantage of these resources and stay informed about the latest scams and threats. You can also use the CyberScout website and mobile app to monitor your credit reports and receive alerts if any suspicious activity is detected. Another important feature of CyberScout membership plans is the ability to add family members to your plan. This can provide additional protection and peace of mind for your loved ones. To add a family member, simply log into your account and follow the prompts to add a new member. Overall, a CyberScout membership plan can provide valuable protection and peace of mind in the event of identity theft or fraud. By following these steps and taking advantage of the services and features included in your plan, you can help to protect yourself and your loved ones from these types of threats.